Hi everybody, welcome to this guide on how to get started with machine learning. I am Arup Jana and I will be walking you through the steps of how to get started with machine learning. Machine learning is one of the very trending technologies in today's world, and I will help you and guide you on how to get started with this trending technology. Let's get started with one of the pain points that most of the beginners face when they get started with machine learning. They always feel intimidating about machine learning, and the intimidating reason is that machine learning has lots of technical things about it, and most importantly, most people think that to learn machine learning you need to be pro at maths. Don't worry, I was also there in that position and I also thought in the same way that you are thinking. So in this whole video, I will help you discover all the steps and ways so that you can get started and all the things that you have in mind, and I will clear them. So first of all, what is machine learning? Let's understand the basics. Machine learning is how we can learn machine, or how the machine will learn, and we will help the machine to learn from the data. There are multiple algorithms that can be used to teach the machine, and machine will learn from the data. Now there are typically two types of machine learning problems. One can be supervised or it can be unsupervised. You can take a look into these two machine learning projects. Now as you can see, the supervised and unsupervised, these are the two types of machine learning problems you will face in real world. There can be multiple resources that you can follow to learn these kind of machine learning techniques. These are the courses that you can follow where you can learn machine learning in a very detailed way. Theory is very great, but practical is also essential. Until and unless you get your hands dirty, you will not learn the exact thing about machine learning, because machine learning is all about practical. So don't worry, just start with a basic beginner friendly language like Python and start learning about TensorFlow or Scikit-learn, because these are the two libraries which are used in most of the cases to learn machine learning. TensorFlow can be used for deep learning or very advanced type of machine learning algorithms. Scikit-learn is good for basic kind of machine learning algorithms. Now that you have learned about the hands-on projects, hands-on things, the one most professional tip I will give you is start implementing some projects. Now definitely you do not need to dive into much more complex projects. Just start with simple hello world equivalent projects in machine learning. And one of the projects that you can start with is iris flower classification. This project will make you learn how classification works, and especially how a basic machine learning model is trained. From this project you will learn how machine can be trained on a data. Now that you have done some projects, the essential and most important thing is to stay updated with the latest trends. How you can do that? You can join some communities like Kaggle. You can join there and as a competitor, or you can discuss something with your peers in that Kaggle community. You can also do some challenges in there. Kaggle usually releases some challenge. You can participate in it so that you will learn inside what is happening in that challenge. Usually Kaggle challenges are complex for beginners, but what's the problem? You can definitely start with it and you can learn some essential things from it, if not you are winning it. Lastly, feel free to ask your peers whatever problems you have, and always try to stay updated, and you should have a mindset that you should always learn. Never stop learning about machine learning. Machine learning is one of the technologies that is always growing, and something is getting added to it. Let it be some new algorithms or some new techniques. All these things are getting added each day, every day, and It is very much important that you stay updated in this race. Lastly, thank you so much for joining me in this video. I think from this video we have learned that math is not that much important to be started with machine learning. To get started with machine learning, you do not need to be pro at math, but yes, definitely you need to have some basic concepts clear so that you can get started with machine learning. Thank you so much, and don't forget to check out the resources that I have given you. In this journey of machine learning, I highly believe that you will become someone who will implement something in the future that will impact all of our lives. So just get started and transform some data into insights. See you there.